Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to restore the missing toolbar in Tradingview. Alright, so let's begin. If your drawing tool suddenly disappeared, don't worry, this is usually an easy fix. Start by opening Tradingview in your browser or app just like you normally would. If the interface looks off, try refreshing the page first as small glitches can sometimes hide elements like the toolbar. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and click on the products section. While it may seem unrelated, some settings are grouped there after recent updates. Next, move to the top left corner and click on your profile icon. This will open your account and interface settings. From here, look for an option related to enabling the drawing panel. It may be inside chart settings or interface options, so take a moment to find it. If the drawing panel is turned off, simply enable it. After switching it on, give it a second to apply. You may also refresh the chart if needed. Once enabled, your toolbar should reappear along the side of your chart, giving you access to all your drawing tools again. A quick setting adjustment is all it takes to bring your Tradingview toolbar back, and that's it. This is how you can restore the missing toolbar in Tradingview. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.